here we are, look, coming up to Superman and Lex Luthor Drop of Doom. On our right here, you can see Goliath. This is the coaster I waited 12 years for. What do you think, Jay? You looking forward to it?
Oh yeah. So this is nothing. David, we already know, the history already showed that David killed Goliath.
Here we go, we're gonna crush it. Goliath at Six Flags Magic Mountain. Here we go. Hands up, guys! Guys, I need you,
Young David!
I need you to paddle. We need extra power. So, as you can tell, some of us are incredibly excited to be riding here again at Magic Mountain. And this guy.
Now listen, I'm so excited right now. I'm here with the King of Spades. I'm chilling with Dylan. This is my first ride, guys, in probably 10 years. So we're gonna go full throttle. Let's go. We're getting pumped up.
Living it up. This used to be the tallest loop in North America, and now I think there's only one taller in China. It's a great ride, really, really good. And yeah, as you can see, Airbnb host over here wants to come along. Now we're chilling with Dylan, the whole gang here. So check it out, stay tuned, and let's see how we do after the ride.
My pass flew off of my neck, and he caught it in
midair.
In midair behind me and gave it to me.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Man.
You should be a wide receiver.
There you go, my friend.
Yeah, no doubt.
Look at that, look.
Alec, I appreciate it, boss.
Thanks, man.
All
Enjoy
right,
your day
man.
at the park, and we'll see you around.
You too.
Man, check it out. Just like the time I caught the phone on Nitro at Great Adventure. Here we go, next ride.
Here we go.
So here we are, guys. As you can see, we've just made our way to the tram. It's going to take us to the top of Samurai Summit here at Magic Mountain, and we've just had some awesome food that we got with our meal
We
plans.
just went to the, what was it called? The Goose Island Greek Cafe was amazing. The pita was perfect, and what was it? Chicken. Oh, and tomatoes. Oh, it
And the
was great.
tzatziki
Oh my
sauce.
goodness, yeah.
But we're just making our way into the tram now, so we'll see you when we're at the summit. man.
Oh, I did it! Oh my God.
So here we are, guys, with All Now Road X2.
All Road X2.
Let's get some reviews in. What do we
Dylan
think?
rode it twice.
Crazy.
Crazy. It's nuts though. I'm coming back real soon for some more X2.
Oh yeah, he's gonna ride it for me.
There you go. But he's got 62 rides down in the last 3 days. 62 rides on X2 alone. We're going for the Guinness World Record, baby.
Oh yeah.
We're coming. We're coming.
So they're playing the same song from the vlog again, look. How crazy is that?